Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about a Doraemon episode on Republic Day. So let's start. Hello friends! I'm your favorite cartoon character. Watch my full episode! Nobita! Oh no! Ouch! Why you play inside? If you broke anything, mom scold you. Let's go outside. Nobody plays with me. Today is Republic Day. We all are celebrating. Doraemon, shall I ask a question? 26th January is only to have fun and hoist the flag. And do you know why do we celebrate Republic Day? Yes, I know. Our constitution was framed on this day. Doremi. Yes, Nobita and Doraemon, it's mean that rules and regulation were made that day. Like nobody harm and disturb to anybody. Everybody work honestly, do their work, and nobody can live poor hunger. Let us together commence a journey of peace, harmony, and progress. So, we all friends live together and help to each other because we know the unity is power. So, hope you like it, my video, and please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. And if you want to see my coding, so I have given the link, Scratch link in the description. Okay, bye.